Hey there, history hounds and happy campers. I'm Laura, and welcome back to Hounds on the Ground. With me today are my incredible co-hosts, Amanda and Lua. We are here at historic Knights Ferry Covered Bridge on the banks of mighty Stanislaus River. We are tackling the annual Salmon Festival, investigating one of California's most incredible natural events, the Chinook Salmon migration, and the important work being done to save them. While Amanda and Lua are capturing the action, I'm giving you the full report. Let's get sniffing. The hunt for history and habitat protection starts now. Welcome to Knights Ferry, California, a historic jewel nestled on the Stanislaus River. Every November, this quiet town explodes with life for a very special reason, the annual Stanislaus River Salmon Festival. It's a free, family-friendly event, a true celebration of nature, community, and the incredible journey of the Chinook salmon. More than 40 exhibitors gather here, offering hands-on learning, music, food, and the chance to witness one of nature's most amazing spectacles. Don't forget your history hound at home. This event is dog-friendly. But the true star of the show is the salmon. These magnificent fish have traveled over 180 river miles from the Pacific Ocean past the Golden Gate to return to the birthplace in the Stanislaus River to spawn. This migration is an epic feat, a dance of life and death that plays out every fall. Interactive and educational, especially for the younger generation, from educational displays about the river habitat and water quality to the famous fish print t-shirts. The focus is on fun, hands-on learning. It's about raising the next generation of environmental stewards. Unfortunately, the challenges facing the river are immense. Years of dams, diversions, and habitat loss have significantly stressed the salmon population. This is why conservation efforts are so vital. We must fight to restore healthy river flows, replenish essential spawning gravels, and preserve the remaining riparian habitat. The green corridors along the riverbanks are the home to countless species. This isn't just about the fish, it's about our legacy and the ecological balance of the entire region.
About 1,200.
This right here is the heart, right here. This is the liver. This is the stomach. What's left of the stomach. So there's a little bit of eggs left on this one. This is the air bladder. Behind the air bladder, that dark back there is the kidneys. That dark right there is the spleen, makes blood just like ours does. We got some gills over here. Let's see if this one's right here close to. There's a tongue. Wow, look at those teeth. I know, it's trying to get me. And this one's a male, so it doesn't have eggs in it. This part here is his reproductive system. Helps him fertilize the eggs, so the eggs will hatch. Oh yeah, so the air bladder helps him move up and down in the water column, like like in the ocean, for instance, right? And they can put more in it to go up, and then take more out to go down. So I don't.
Of course, no festival is complete without great food and local culture. You can savor a delicious salmon barbecue or browse the beautiful artwork. The annual calendar art contest showcases the talents of local K-8 students, with proceeds supporting future festivals and educational outreach. Beyond the fish, the festival is a celebration of all local wildlife. From live birds of prey to pet adoption opportunities, it's a community gathering, bringing together locals and visitors with a shared appreciation for the Central Valley's natural treasures. The Stanislaus River is a critical spawning ground for one of California's most iconic species, the Chinook salmon. These fish make an epic upstream migration from the Pacific Ocean, a journey that tests the health of our entire watershed. Let's dive deeper into the incredible cycle of the Chinook salmon. Born in these freshwater gravels, they journey to the ocean where they spend years growing. Then, driven by an innate, almost miraculous sense, they return, smelling their way back home against all odds. The health of the Stanislaus River is no accident. It is a direct result of the adaptive partnership. It is a unique collaboration balancing human needs with ecological survival. That ensures the river's resilience and the return of the Chinook salmon for generations to come. The goal of the journey is to spawn. The females dig out nests called redds. They deposit their eggs, the males fertilize them, and then their life cycle is complete. They die, their bodies nurturing the river's ecosystem. This is the ultimate gift of the salmon, a natural cycle of life and renewal. The salmon run is a precious resource that has faced severe challenges, from the gold rush era's hydraulic mining to the modern pressures of dams and water management. For a time, the populations dwindled. We know the Stanislaus River is vital, but who is doing the work to save the salmon? The answer is a critical partnership between our farmers, government agencies, and the community. They are working together to tackle the two biggest challenges, flow and habitat.
You can use it like a tree, kind of, like you do with aging a tree.
So, like how many?
So it's when they get really close together, if you look really close right here, the line gets a little bit darker.
Yeah.
And like right here and right here.
Yeah?
That's like a year of age.
Oh, okay.
So it's like kind of growth patterns, kind of similar to a tree.
Wow.
Right, so when it's the winter, they're not growing very fast, and in the summer they grow really fast, so the lines get closer together.
So this is the beginning.
Yep, that's the middle.
First, on flow management, the local irrigation districts representing farmers and state and federal agencies are moving toward voluntary agreements. This means working together to provide essential water during key spawning times, achieving better results than conflict alone. Second, on habitat, agencies are actively restoring the river by adding essential spawning gravel and restoring vital floodplain areas. Critically, the community funds the data through events like the Salmon Festival. We support scientists who monitor the river, providing the essential research that guides every single decision made by the farmers and agencies. The festival's location is just as important as the fish. Knights Ferry is a registered historic landmark. Here stands the longest covered bridge west of the Mississippi, a symbol of the town's part as a vital crossing during the gold rush. This beautiful, slow-paced atmosphere is the perfect backdrop for reflecting on nature's ancient rhythms. The Stanislaus River Salmon Festival is more than just a fun day out. It's a powerful reminder of the incredible connection between the land, the river, and the community. It is a chance to witness a timeless migration and learn how we can all play a part in protecting this vital Central Valley treasure. We hope you'll join the thousands who visit Knights Ferry every year. Come see the magic of the Stanislaus River, meet the dedicated people who protect it, and celebrate the magnificent return of the Chinook salmon. Until next year, keep that river flowing and let the salmon find their way home. From the gold rush miners who crossed that bridge to the salmon swimming beneath it, the Stanislaus River is packed with history and life. So for History Hounds and Happy Campers, this has been Hounds on the Ground at the Knights Ferry Salmon Festival. Now let's go find a campfire. If you loved learning about these incredible Chinook salmon, hit that like button and tell us in the comments what historical river town should we visit next.